Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy public transport tickets in Rome. First, familiarize yourself with the different ticket types available, like single-use or multi-day passes. Next, locate a ticket machine, often found in metro stations, or an authorized vendor such as a newsstand or tabaceria. Finally, select the ticket that matches your travel plans from the options displayed. Rome offers several ticket options. The basic BIT ticket costs €1.50 and is valid for 100 minutes, allowing one metro ride. For longer stays, consider daily, 24-hour, 48-hour, or 72-hour passes, which provide unlimited travel. A weekly CIS pass is also available, offering 7 full days of transport. Once you've selected your ticket, you can pay using cash or a credit or debit card at most machines. It's crucial to validate your ticket immediately. For buses and trams, use the validation machines on board. For the metro, insert your ticket at the turnstile. Remember, an unvalidated ticket is invalid and could lead to a fine of up to €100. You can purchase tickets at metro stations, newsstands, and tabacceria shops throughout the city. For convenience, especially during peak hours, it's a good idea to buy several tickets at once. Always hold onto your validated ticket until you have completed your journey, as inspectors may ask to see it at any point.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.